Hi guys, let's learn SUMIFS function. So SUMIF functions are used if you want to add something with a particular criteria. So adding, we all know that just select it and add with some function or just see the addition here. But what if we want to add only those where the product is widget and the region is east? This is a particular criteria. You can have your own criteria. So just write equals to SUMIFS and start the bracket. After that, the first thing will be sum range. So let's say we want to know the units sold. So this is the range. Just select the whole range. Now put a comma. Now the second parameter is criteria range 1. Okay, we can add multiple criterias. Here, for example, we will only use 2 criteria. So the criteria range 1. So let's say we want to find the region that is east. So the criteria range is this. Just select this, add comma, and then the criteria. What is the criteria of this range? We want that east. We want only units sold for east. We have written here, either we can type here east or we can select this, so that's it's easy to change. Now put comma and then criteria range 2. So the product, we want those products which are widgets only. So this is the criteria range 2. Just select it. Now put comma and the criteria range 2 is this. We can type it or select it from a field because it's easy to change. Now just close the bracket, hit enter, and that's it. Okay. Now whenever we will change it to gadgets, it will change. Okay. Let's say we change it to south and it will change. Okay. So this is how SUMIFS functions are being used in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching. Please